Hello my people, welcome back to Sheillah's kitchen. Today we have an amazing recipe. We are making yummy yummies today. We are making Mokimo. Walk through with me, I hope you will enjoy. So here we have our I boiled potatoes and spinach. I need to make the green Mokimo, so I put spinach with the potatoes. Then I'd boil the green peas and white corn separate, so then we'll mix them all together. I boiled everything with salt to taste. So let's make this amazing meal. We will mash everything together. Guys, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe so that whenever I upload another video you'll be notified. So let's keep mashing. We mash until it looks creamy. Slowly by slowly. Make sure you have a strong masher. My pot is small, but I think I use I need it to be more green, but maybe next time I should add more spinach. And I think the green pea is overcooked, but it's still amazing and it's tasty, delicious, I mean. So we'll keep mashing and mixing them all together until they're very soft. At the meantime, you fry your onions. I had chopped some onions that we will mix to make the food more tasty. So the consistency should be like this. You see now it looks so creamy, very nice, very soft to eat, no lumps, as you can see. So now we will add our onions. We should fry the onions until they're golden brown. As you can see, the onions add flavor to the meal. Those who are first time in my channel, please support me with your subscription and I will appreciate. So we will make the onions. Make sure the onions just direct from the pan when the oil is hot to become tasty and more softer, as you can see. So our meal is ready to serve. You can serve this any sauce of your choice. Wow, very nice. So guys, our meal is ready, and let's have and enjoy. I served mine with matumbo, well known as stripes, and it was very delicious. I licked my fingers. I hope you'll try this recipe. Thank you so much guys for watching. I appreciate, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel so you get notified whenever I post another video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.